Hello class 1. Welcome in new session of EVS. Chapter 5 Religious Festivals. Children, what is festival? A festival is a gathering of people to celebrate something. It also refers to a particular day. We celebrate many festivals. We pray and have fun during festivals. Festivals are very important in our life. Festivals bring a community together. We celebrate festivals to respect our culture, beliefs and customs. हमारी संस्कृति, संस्कार और विश्वास को बनाए रखने के लिए हम फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। फेस्टिवल से हम परिवार और समाज से ही नहीं बल्कि संस्कृति से भी जुड़े रहते हैं। फेस्टिवल्स fill our life with joy and fun. Children, India is known as the land of festivals. हमारे कंट्री में बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स मनाए जाते हैं। There are two types of festivals: national festivals, religious festivals. A national festival is one that is celebrated everywhere within the nation. नेशनल फेस्टिवल को पूरे देश में एक ही दिन मनाया जाता है, such as Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. And children, now tell me, which festival do we celebrate on 2nd October? Yes, Gandhi Jayanti. Very good. People of different religions celebrate different festivals. A religious festival is one that is celebrated within a particular religion and community. The most widely known and popular religious festivals are Dashera, Durga Puja, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas. So kids, let's begin with the most popular festival, दशहरा। दशहरा क्यों मनाया जाता है? क्योंकि इस दिन भगवान राम ने रावण को मारा था। Then victory over evil, मतलब कि बुराई पे अच्छाई की जीत होना। दशहरा is an important Hindu festival. It marks the victory of Lord Rama over the demon King Ravana. Effigies of Ravan, his brother Kumbhakarna and his son Meghnad are burnt as a symbol of victory of good over evil. Children, आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं रावण के और कुंभकर्ण के और मेघनाद के पुतले बनाए जाते हैं कपड़ों से, लकड़ी से और दूसरी और भी चीज़ें काम में लेते हैं। पुतले बनाकर उन्हें जलाया जाता है। The Dashera of Mysore is a 10 days festival ending with a march by decorated elephants through the city. In South, it is celebrated as a victory of good over evil. A big fair is also held during Dashera. Children, have you ever seen any fair? Look at the picture. Different events of the life of Lord Rama are dramatized in the Ram Leela. Do you know, children? During Navratri, in some states, people present Ram Leela, a kind of religious drama on the life of Lord Ram. In this, the characters show the life events of Lord Ram and narrate Ramayan. Children, you all must have watched Ramayan serial on television with your parents, right? Yes, that taught us the story of Lord Ram and Ravan. Durga Puja. West Bengal's capital, Kolkata, is famous for celebrating Durga Puja. In Gujarat, Navratri is celebrated to worship Goddess Durga. People of Gujarat enjoy this festival with regional dance like Garba. आप गरबा में कभी गए हो? खूब मस्ती, खूब फन और एंजॉय करते हैं ना गरबा में? नाउ एक्सरसाइज टाइम. Children, what is a national festival? A national festival is one that is celebrated everywhere within the nation. Next, what is a religious festival? A religious festival is one that is celebrated within the particular religion. Why is Dashera celebrated? It is celebrated to mark the victory of Lord Rama over the demon King Ravan. Now children, this is your home assignment. Make a model of Ravan as shown in the picture of your textbook, page number 37. Hope you enjoyed this session. We will meet in next session. Till then, read your book carefully. Thank you.